Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about what is pivot table, how we can create pivot table, and what are the basic features of pivot table. Before moving to this video, I kindly request you to subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate, like my videos and share my videos with your friends. Friends, what is pivot table? A pivot table is a simple table which will help you to analyze the data. It will give answers some of your business questions and it will help you to take some of the important decisions. So let us learn this pivot table with an example. Friends, I have an example. Let us insert the pivot table for this data. To insert the pivot table, what you have to do is to just click insert menu, okay, and then go to pivot table. In some of the latest versions of Excel, you can even find the suggested pivot table, and you can click and you will see some of the suggested pivot table which will help you to analyze the data based on the existing data. So in my case, I will straight away click the pivot table and it will open up one window. Okay, so here two important parameters I need to fill, that is range. So the range I will select from A1 to G16, and next where I want to insert the pivot table either in the existing sheet or in the new sheet. So in my case, I want to insert the pivot table in the existing sheet. I will simply click OK. So by the moment you press OK, one pivot table will appear. Okay. Now, if this is a blank pivot table and you have right side pivot table field list, so all the range, all the column headers will appear in the pivot table field list. So just I want to make a simple pivot table, that is I will simply drag and drop the row table and value field. There are four sections in this. One is four areas. One is filter area, column area, row area and values area. So in this my first example, I will click type in the row label and sale price in the value field. So it will give you a small pivot table which will help you to find out how much studio sale price, total sale price, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom, and so on. So this is the first feature of pivot table, just to drag and drop the field to the respective area. Next is sorting. Now I want to sort the row label. To do that, simply click any one cell of the row table, okay. Simply select, right click and sort, and in this case already my table is in the A to Z order. I want to make it a Z to A order. Immediately your studio will come up, then 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom and 1 bedroom. Okay, this is second feature of pivot table. Now third feature is how I can move the one row label to the beginning or end or in up or next. So to do that, select the label, okay, right click, click move and click move to the beginning or up. When you press up, it will go to one step up. When you click beginning, it will go to beginning. So this label is at the end, so you cannot click down or end because there is no further. So you need to click studio to the beginning. So it will move that label to the beginning. So this is third feature of pivot table. The next one is filtering. How to filter the pivot table? So to do that, I have one more area, that is filter area. So I'll simply drag any one field. For in my example, I'll drag customer ID in the filter area. So you can see one filter column is filter section is appearing here. You simply click any one customer ID, select, and that customer ID, how many units are sold and their values you will get. This is the fourth feature of pivot table, that is filtering. Now fifth feature is change summary calculation. I have here sum of sale price. Instead of sum of sale price, I want to get how many units sold, not the value but count. So to do that, simply go to here sum, values, right click, and you will get one window. Select value field settings and you change count or average, whichever you want. In my example, I'll select as count. Okay, immediately you will get number of count each time. That is another feature. So the next feature is two-dimensional pivot table. So you can see here only one row. Sorry, you can see in these rows and one. It's a small table, but I want to see a table like in this way. So to do that, simply what you can do, you can simply drag any one field. In my example, I'll select as a sale day to columns. Okay, columns area. So you will get multi-dimensional or two-dimensional pivot table. This is another feature of pivot table. So the next feature is grouping of pivot table. How to do grouping? The simple way is select the cell, what label you want to group. So I will select a student one bedroom as one group. To do that, select the cell, right click and click group. One group is created. Now second two bedroom and 3 bedroom, you can make another group. Right click and make it group. So now group 1 and group 2. I want to change the name. So you can simply go to formula bar and change the group name. So group A and here group B. Okay. Now you want to shrink this group and you want to make it total. To do that, simply click the minus sign. It will be shrinked. Another one, must click minus sign, it will shrink, and you can find out how much group A total and how much group B total. Now you want to make it ungroup, simply go to that group, right click and select ungroup. Similarly, go to that group, click, right click, and you will select ungroup. So your grouping is unselected. Now the next feature of pivot table is multi-level pivot table. Now I want to see each customer wise how many studios are sold. To do that, simply go to simply drag the customer ID or any field you can drag by that case, whichever you are practicing the example. But in my case, I will drag the customer ID again to row label so that you will get multi-level pivot table. So this is a multi-level pivot table. You will have studio, and again you have the breakdown of that studio, which customer has paid the sale price, etc. You will get the detailed information. Now one more feature, I want to get the name also. After the customer ID, I want to get the name also. To do that, you have to drag customer name to row label. But here you will see below the customer ID names are coming. I don't want in that way. Instead, how I want is, I want to see the customer ID right side of the customer ID. So I will to do that, simply I will click that cell, customer name cell, right click, pivot table options, then display, then select classic pivot table layout and press OK. Now you can see your customer ID is moved from below the customer ID to right side. But there is again one more problem. You will have one more row that is customer ID total, which you don't want. You don't want to see. To do that, simply what you will do, right click that cell and go to right subtotal customer ID, deselect it, and immediately it will be removed from the pivot table. Now you can see a beautiful pivot table which has a basic information and which will help you to find a quick information studio, how many customers, what is the customer name, what is the price, sale price, etc. At the first and information you will get from this table. Now what I want is, I want to insert the pie chart. How I can do this? The simple way to insert pie chart is go to insert and click any pie chart. There are various types of pie chart in here. So you select which you want. In my example, I will select this pie chart. Okay, simply I will go and select insert. Okay, immediately, first I need to select the pivot table, then I will select the insert. Okay, see, immediately you will get the pivot chart. So you can maybe reduce the size if you want. I have reduced because to analyze you need pivot table to help you to understand in better way. Maybe you can make increase the size if you want. Okay, now you see how it is giving in a pictorial picture to analyze your pivot table. You can change any type of design whichever you want. Okay, if you want say pie chart, you can give to pie chart as well. Okay, so it will immediately change. Whichever type you want, you can change it. Okay, that is another feature of this pivot table. And pivot chart is very much help to present the financial statements. Okay, this will help in most of the companies to present the financial statement, to present the cash flow, and for many other things. So this is one of the features of pivot table and pivot chart. Now coming to one more feature of pivot table, that is frequency distribution. Now I have total sum here. Okay, sum of the sale price and the type. But I want to see again how much percentage of grand total is studio and one bedroom and etc. So to do that, I simply drag the sale price to the value section. Okay, again you will get the sum of sale price, but here you don't want to see the sum of sale price. Instead you want to see percentage of grand total. So in order to make it that, simply click second sum of sale price and right click and open value field settings. It will open one more window, and there is here summarize values by and another one show values as. You want to show values as how percentage of grand total and click OK. You can see now how much percentage, that is 19.4% of studio is studio, and 31.58% of grand total is one bedroom, and so on. Friends, I have explained most of the features of pivot table and pivot chart in this video. If you like this video, kindly like my video and write a nice comment. If you still have doubt, you can mention in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel RenwilEducate. Share my videos with your friends so they too can gain Excel knowledge. Friends, thank you for watching this video. You can watch my more videos which I already uploaded earlier, that is 50 shortcut keys, 35 Excel functions of formulas, how to use VLOOKUP, how to use sum if as function, how to use count if as function, and how to find unique data, or how to delete the duplicate data. Thank you friends once again.